Sometimes we can't see the impact of our efforts on our continent. But small acts, seemingly inconsequential, are like seeds planted that will eventually bear fruit, often beyond our line of sight. Yes, the work ahead of us may feel huge, and it's true there's much to be done, but sitting idly, hoping for change without action, won't lead us there. The miracles we desire, the progress we envision for our homeland, depend on each one of us stepping up. We can't afford to be discouraged or complacent at this time. Every small effort you make, every gesture of goodwill, every attempt to uplift someone, it all adds up and makes a difference. When you contribute to Africa's growth, no matter how small, you honor where you came from, and you contribute to where it is going. Let's not grow weary of doing what is right, for if we persevere, we will one day see the results we hoped for. The challenges we face now, the conflicts, the setbacks, the frustration will pass. Wars will end. Peace will reign again. It may feel like the path is long, but resilience paves the way for triumph. When we keep hope alive, grounded in a practical understanding of what it will take to see change, we find the strength to continue. This hope isn't empty or naive. It's a real, sustaining hope that fuels the determination to keep moving forward. I know you may feel disheartened. Perhaps you've invested your resources, time, money, energy into some businesses that have yet to bear fruit. Maybe you've been disappointed by those you trusted or felt the sting of a failed business. I've heard a lot of such stories and I've experienced them myself. You might even perhaps wonder if there are some spells that have been cast on the continent, making it seem as though every attempt is met with resistance. But you know what? Just because the breakthrough hasn't happened yet doesn't mean it never will. Progress can be slow and the journey rocky, but history shows us that persistence often pays off. The obstacles we face today are often the last barricades before a breakthrough. When we face turbulent times, it's a signal that something greater lies ahead. Change rarely comes without struggle, but this struggle will lead to a brighter future. Africa will rise again, and our homeland will find its glorious destination. Thank you for reading, and God bless you. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Read next, Making Sense of Our Strengths. Part 1. Will you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book. Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com.getmybooks on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, I Say Music got you. Contact sopiansofgod@gmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Your gift makes fulfilling your purpose easy. 2. Everything you need is in the hands of people. 3. 7 surprising ways to lose weight. 4. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.